Okay, let's remove the feed pipe and see which is the problem, whether it's the feed pipe or the plenum chamber. Feed pipe's in, I'll sit the tank on. So it's sitting down correctly at the rear and the front is still quite high. So it's definitely that. I'll try the plenum chamber. So I've refitted the plenum chamber without this feed pipe. I'll try the tank on. So once again, sitting correctly at the back, the front is a long way off. So it looks like the problem's definitely in the plenum chamber and that feed pipe, the pair of them, which means a lot more work. Actually, looking a bit closer, it seems that the fuel rail is sitting on the fuel tank, not the actual plenum chamber. So I'll pull the injectors out and see if that gives me clearance. The injectors are out, let's try the tank again. So it's closer, so with it on the rear and the front. So no, still out of luck. With it sitting down firm at the back, we're still off at the front. When I grab the back of the plenum chamber and rock it, it actually moves the tank and raises the rear. So it definitely hits the plenum chamber as well. That'll bring me to a bit of a standstill till I get some plasticine to see if it's hitting on the sides here, which it looks like even on the standard tank we had to modify it, or up the top. I'll continue on and I'll remove the gauges. First thing I noticed is how heavy they are compared to the modern bikes. They weigh like 3 times as much, it feels. Remove the rusty old white one. I've got a fresh black one up there, so that'll look heaps better. Next to be removed is the muffler, and as far forward as I can get it, just right the way up to the turbo.